Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at some types of cheese that are popular in Austria. After having watched this video, you should be familiar with the most important words when it comes to cheese. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get an overview of important types of cheese which are popular in Austria. First, let's start with Topfen. Topfen can be translated as curd or white cheese. In Germany, people will say Quark. If you're interested in the differences between Germany and Austria, check out the links below or click here. In general, Topfen is used for many recipes in the Austrian cuisine. For example, Topfennockerl, Topfenstrudel, Topfenknödel, and so on. A certain kind of Topfen is called Landfrischkäse. Landfrischkäse can be pure or mixed with herbs and spices. One of the most popular cheese brands in Austria is called Bergbaron. Bergbaron is a mild cheese that is produced in Upper Austria. The name could be translated as Baron of the Mountains. Similar brands are Almkönig or Traungold. If you prefer a cheese with a strong aroma, then the Mondseer might be ideal for you. The Mondseer is named after the town Mondseer and is prepared with red cultures and salt water. If you like a cheese which is similar to Gorgonzola, you might enjoy the Österkron. Österkron is a green cheese with a very strong aroma. It is also used for the one or the other dish. In Tyrol, you may come across the Graukäse. Graukäse means grey cheese and is a crumbly and intense cheese which contains not too much fat. In mountain areas, the Bergkäse is very popular. Bergkäse can be translated as cheese from the mountains. The animals get a lot of fresh grass and hay. Generally, the Bergkäse is aged for quite a long time and offers a fine aroma. If you're looking for a processed cheese, then the Eckerlkäse is the right one. Eckerlkäse is the same as Schmelzkäse. In supermarkets, you will find various flavors. I hope you're a bit more familiar with typical Austrian types of cheese after having watched this video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.